Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make my very first jewelry haul, and if you have been following me for a while, you know that I have been loving and obsessing over jewelry recently. So I'm just super excited to be sharing these pieces with you guys. Beautiful Earth is a jewelry company that supports wildlife and nature, which I think is very important, especially someone like me who likes to shop a lot. It's very important to also contribute to sustainability, wildlife and nature. So that is something that I love that they also have implemented in their business. I just think that is super important. You also have a 1-year warranty on all jewelry on their website, which is great. So anyways, I'm really excited. I'm going to show you everything that I got. So these are the jewelry boxes that I got from them, and they are very nice. Let's open this one and let's see what it is in here. Okay, so here we have 2 rings. I'm going to open them and show you guys up close what they look like. And I really like the packaging. I think the packaging is really cute. So this is 1 ring that looks like 2 rings. Just think it's really beautiful. And I'm just gonna take it on here. Let's see what it looks like. It's super pretty. I love the green. I think it's just because I'm a girl that usually wears only naturals and like only gold and plain gold and like with the diamonds. So I wanted something with a little color, and I think this is perfect. It's super pretty. So you can have it like this. I'm going to put in some close-ups as well on all of the jewelry so you can get a real good look at them. And then I also got these earrings, and I'm just so excited because I only use like a pair that I already have. Like I use the same pair of earrings all the time, so it's fun to have something else and try to use and style my outfits with something else than just the same pair of earrings that I have every single day, you know. These earrings look like this, and they are kind of these gold hoops, a little bit chunky, and I think it's a little bit cool girl style. They're so cute, and I have to kind of do it over my face because the camera won't like work with me. So I'm just going to put them on and try them. Wow. Just push back my hair a little bit. I love to have my hair like this, and when I have, it's just fun to have some earrings as well to like make the outfit look a little bit more like something interesting happening with the outfit and with the hairstyle as well. I love these earrings. You can really wear them for multiple occasions like date nights, or even just going to the office or going out grabbing some drinks with your girlfriends. Like you can wear them to so many different versatile styles and outfits, and that is something that I love. I love to have a sustainable closet where you can have every single piece with everything else. The same with jewelry. Like you can have this on a daily basis, but you can also have them formally and style them up with for a night out or for dinner dates. However, I just think they are so pretty and super cute. I do have another package with Beautiful Earth, so I'm going to open it right now and show you guys. It's just very excited. So I'm really excited about these. I feel like these are super pretty. They're really elegant, and this is definitely for like party nights, not even party nights, but like finer occasions and a little bit more formal wear. So here we have these earrings, and I've been talking about pearls in my jewelry trends video that you probably have seen. I hope you have, and if you haven't, the link is in the description. So in my jewelry trends video, I'm talking about pearls, and pearls is a classic piece that will never ever go out of trend. So of course I wanted a pair of pearls as well. So I got these super cute earrings, and they look like this. I just love them. They are so pretty. Look at the pearl. It's like it's gold and it's pearl in the same at the same time. Look at these. They are so pretty and they're just so beautiful. I love this. This is like amazing. This is perfect, as I said, for formal wear. I can't wait to wear them for a special occasion, maybe together with my boyfriend. And it's almost gonna be Valentine's Day. It's like one month away for Valentine's Day. I think I'm gonna wear these. Like, they are so pretty and so elegant. I feel like this is something that will fit for every girl's jewelry collection. Like, they are so pretty. And of course, together with these pearly earrings, I had to go with a necklace also with pearls. And I have been looking for a necklace like this for quite some time, and I was so happy to see them have it. So, of course, I decided to get one of these as well. It's just so pretty. It's so pretty. Look at this. Imagine on. So I'm gonna put it on right now. And also during the summer and springtime, it's almost spring, it's almost summer. No, it's not almost summer, but it's almost spring. And I cannot wait. And this will look so pretty during the summertime and springtime. Even now in wintertime, but I mean like when you're outside and it's warm and the sun is on your skin and you're a little bit like sun-kissed skin, and it's just so pretty. This is the necklace and I'm going to put it on. It's a gold chain and we have these beautiful pearls right here. It's just so gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I love it. The necklace is on and it is so beautiful. Like, it's so gorgeous. Literally, like, I love jewelry like this. Okay, so only the thing that I'm wearing right now, I'm just wearing a blouse. And how the jewelry just lifted up to a different level is insane. It's insane. This is what it looks like up close. So gorgeous. It's really pretty. And together with the earrings, it just makes the look complete. And they really match this blouse so good. It looks super pretty. And you really see the difference on my outfit now and before. So it's just gorgeous. And I have one more piece that I am really excited about. I have been wanting a bracelet like this for maybe 3 years. I've just never gotten myself to get one, and now I got one. Let me just open it. So it is a tennis bracelet. It is this gorgeous gold diamond bracelet kind of vibe, and it's just so pretty. And it really, this one you can really have on any occasion ever. So if you are a little bit fancy, you can have this daily, which I will definitely be having. But you can also have this on a date night, to work, even if you just want to get your outfit a little bit more bling for work. You can definitely add a bracelet. So this is what it looks like when I have it on, and it's just so pretty. I'm going to show you guys everything with close-ups as well. I just want to give it some justice with, you see what it looks like. It really blinks in there. Like, it's so pretty, and it's just so beautiful. Okay guys, I'm going to show you everything better soon. Guys, I'm just obsessed. I will be wearing this every single day, and I will be wearing this also every single day. I'm just so excited. I think they're super pretty, and I cannot wait to style them with some clothes as well for you guys. So keep your eyes on my shorts, because there will be coming a lot of shorts styling jewelry, and also casually and formally. So different types of videos there with the outfits with these pieces, and I'm really excited. They are so pretty. that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to hit the like button down below, and if you like fashion content and also jewelry, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys in my next one.